Good day, all. A brand new Hyundai Creta. The owner bought the car just 15 days back. While he drove for 15 days jollily, he was working in abroad. Um, while he thought of buying a car in his hometown in India during his visit, when when he was driving on the car, a dog suddenly came in front of his car. To save the dog's life, he crashed his car into a divider and a street light and damaging his 12 lakh worth car. $15,000 worth car he damaged, and he may be spending some more money to repair it. Maybe some amount will be claimed, he can be claimed by insurance provider. But to save a street dog, he just damaged his 13 lakh worth car, or dollar 14 15,000 car. So so street dogs are so important. Save a street dog and be safe on the road while driving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your family and friends.